Welcome to the Stronger as One tutorial on how to submit your course in the Mental Health First Aid MHFA Learning Management System, or LMS for short. On the login page of the MHFA LMS, enter your email address and password. Click on the Login button. If you've forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password button to reset your password. After you have entered your login information, you should now be at the Welcome page of the MHFA LMS. To access your events calendar, hold your mouse over the Learning tab. A drop-down menu should appear. Click on the Events Calendar option from the drop-down menu. This will take you to the Events Calendar page where you can view your upcoming and completed courses. From here, scroll down the page until you find the Completed Sessions checkbox on the left. Click on this checkbox and the courses you have completed will appear in your calendar. Click on a completed course to go to the Session Details panel. At the bottom of the Session Details panel, you will see a gray View Roster button at the lower right corner. Click on the View Roster button to access your student roster. In other instances, you may see an Add to Cart button instead. Simply click on the down-facing arrow on the right of the button. A light gray View Roster button will appear. Click on this View Roster button to access your student roster. On the Session Roster page, you will see the title of your course, the Session Roster panel, and 3 tabs. Click on the Attendance and Scoring tab. Scroll down to your student roster and you'll find the attendance and pass columns to the right. First, check participants who have attended your course and uncheck those who didn't. Whether the attendance column is checked or unchecked, the pass column should match. Grayed out checkboxes are disabled. Scroll to the bottom of your student roster and click on the Submit Roster button. In approximately 1 day, this course will appear in the MHFA Instructor Portal. When you're ready to log out of the MHFA LMS, hover your mouse over the gray gear icon in the upper right corner of your screen. A drop-down menu will appear. Click on Log Out from the drop-down menu to end your session. Be especially careful to log out when accessing the MHFA LMS on public devices. On the login page of the MHFA Instructor Portal, enter your email address and password. For your convenience, you can click on the Remember Me checkbox. Only use this option on your own personal device and not on public devices. Click on the Login button. If you've forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Your Password button to reset your password. After you have entered your login information, you should now be at the home page of the MHFA Instructor Portal. To access your completed courses, hold your mouse over the Instructor Hub tab. A drop-down menu should appear. Click on the Manage Courses option from the drop-down menu. This will take you to the Manage Courses Upcoming Courses page. Click on the My Incomplete Courses tab. You should see a list of the courses you have already taught, but have not yet submitted in the Instructor Portal. Click on the Course ID number to access the Course Overview page. Scroll down to your student roster. At the end of each row, you'll find a white button with a down-pointing arrow. You can click on this arrow to see a drop-down menu that allows you to mark a student as absent, failed, or passed, to edit a participant, or to delete a participant. After you have made any necessary modifications to your student roster, you can simply click on the orange Select All as Passed button to the right between the Course Overview and the Course Participants sections. This will submit the course in the MHFA Instructor Portal, and you can log out when ready. You will then need to complete the Stronger as One's Google form. Please contact your class coordinator if you do not have the link to this form. You can also access this link in the PDF that accompanies this video. If you have any further questions on how to submit your completed course, please feel free to contact your class coordinator. Congratulations! You've just completed the Stronger as One tutorial on how to submit your course.